Hello everyone. This is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome. In today's video, we're going to be looking at adverb of affirmation and negation. So let's begin. An adverb of affirmation asserts a fact, whereas an adverb of negation negates it. An adverb is a word that gives us information about a verb, adjective, or another adverb and tells us about the place, time, manner, degree, cause, etc. Adverbs of affirmation and negation are one of many types of adverb. Adverbs of affirmation are the words that affirm or assert some statement as real, whereas adverbs of negation are the words that refute or negate or simply convey the fact that something is not. Continue to read to learn adverb of affirmation and negation, definition, and example sentences with clear explanations. This video covers number 1, adverb of affirmation. What is adverb of affirmation? Next, adverb of affirmation examples. Adverb of negation. What is adverb of negation? Adverb of negation examples. Examples of adverb or affirmation and negation and sentences. Adverb of affirmation and negation exercises. Facts or frequently asked questions. Adverb of affirmation and negation. Adverb of affirmation. Definition and meaning. What does an adverb of affirmation mean? The word affirmation in the phrase adverb of affirmation means the act of affirming or asserting something. That is, affirmation refers to the act of asserting some statement as true or existent. So, an adverb of affirmation is, by definition, a word that asserts that something is real, true, or existent. Adverbs of affirmation include yes, certainly, definitely, surely, absolutely, really, truly, and others. Here are a few examples of adverb of affirmation. Examples of adverbs of affirmation. A. Yes, I like chocolate. Yes, I like chocolate. B. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. It's surely too late. It's surely too late. You're certainly right. You're certainly right. I'll definitely teach him English. I'll definitely teach him English. Explanation. All of the example sentences given above contain adverbs of affirmation which are highlighted. These adverbs of affirmation confirm that something is true, real, or existent. Note that adverbs of affirmation also emphasized a fact. Adverb of negation. Definition and meaning. What does an adverb of negation mean? The word negation in the phrase adverb of negation means to negate, refute, or deny something. An adverb of negation is a word that is used to deny a fact or refute a statement. So, adverbs of negation are words that express the fact that something is not true, real, or existent. Adverbs of negation include no, never, hardly, seldom, no longer, and others. Here are a few example sentences of adverbs of negation. Examples of adverbs of negation. A. He does not go to gym. He does not go to gym. B. I have no idea about it. I have no idea about it. C. They never came to India. They never came to India. John hardly speaks the truth. John hardly speaks the truth. They seldom visit the village. They seldom visit the village. Explanation. The sentence, the sentences mentioned above contain adverbs of negation which are in bold. We have here not, no, never, hardly, seldom. These adverbs of negation negate the statements. These adverbs of negation negate the statements. Adverb of affirmation and negation exercise. Check your understanding of adverbs of affirmation and negation by adding them to the following sentences to see if that properly completes them. All right. Summary. Adverb of affirmation and negation. Like other types of adverbs, adverbs of affirmation and negation are frequently used in both spoken and written English. Adverbs of affirmation assert and adverbs of negation negate a fact. In this video, you'll learn the following. Number one, adverbs of affirmation tell us that something is true, real, and fact in a positive way. Number two, adverbs of negation tell us that something is not true, real, or fact in a negative manner. Number three, some certain adverbs of affirmation and negation emphasize a fact. Number four, adverbs of affirmation act positively. Number five, adverbs of negation act negatively. Facts or frequently asked questions. Adverb of affirmation and negation. Define adverb of negation. An adverb of negation negates a fact in a negative manner. Adverbs of negation tell us that something is not true or real. Most commonly used adverbs of negation are never, not, no, no longer, and nothing. These adverbs make it clear that certain ideas, concepts, or facts are not true. 10 examples of adverbs of affirmation and negation. Number one, John absolutely needed her car checked today. So this is adverbs of affirmation. Absolutely. Number two, my kids truly love pizza. So we have here adverb of affirmation truly. Number three, the view from our hotel room is undoubtedly breathtaking. So we have here undoubtedly. Number four, I really like the modification they did to the cupboard. We have here really. Number 5, Baron certainly needs recognition for his achievements. We have here certainly. Number 6, Celine never understood why Ali wanted to move away. So this time we have here never, so this is an adverb of negation. Number 7, Vivian was barely out the door when Roman barged in. So adverb of negation which is barely. Number 8, my sisters hardly ever see eye to eye with things. So adverb of negation hardly. Number 9, Rona scarcely does any household chores. So we have here scarcely adverb of negation. And number 10, he invalidly claimed the price of the expired raffle ticket. So we have here adverb of negation invalidly. So there you go, guys. That's the end of this video about adverb of affirmation and negation. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to English Tutor Hub official channel for more content like this. Bye and see you next time.